We launched the mobile banking application back in November, precisely mid of November last year. And in terms of penetration, it's been pretty good so far. I think you've seen my presentation. It's been 51,000 downloads as of January, and as of end of February, it has gone to 71,000 with almost around 70% activation. So in terms of the numbers, I think it's something that internet banking that we launched to the market about 6 years ago, something they achieved within 3 years' time, and we can actually achieve within three months' time. So definitely the take-up should be very good. Building up a mobile banking is like a journey. It's not like one-time work. It's like a continuous journey that you have to be doing. So we have a roadmap basically down the road. After this, you wanted to do this. After this, we wanted to do this. I think the key thing for mobile banking, I think you've seen a lot of presentation, something that you have to incorporate basically payments, okay, and commerce as well. Now for commerce, we do not have any platform or any idea in mind, but for payments, definitely we already have a roadmap to it. You see Apple Pay is coming in, you see Google Play or Samsung Pay, and you'll see also a QR payment in several parts of Asia and Europe. So definitely it's something that is a new way to make a payment in the future. So this is something that basically we wanted to lead our mobile banking development at the end of the day. It's not an apple-to-apple comparison, okay? For the internet banking, one of the problems is the acquisition of the customer, okay? We have to depend on the branches to sell our product. And you know a lot of key performance indicator that each of the branches actually has. They definitely, if they think that this is not a priority product for them, something it doesn't give you an incentive to it, the priority will be shifted. Now for this application is something that is a new things that is happening around. All you need to do is basically download, right? You can send an email, for example, for each existing Danamon online banking or those who already download the mobile application to start activating the application itself as soon as possible, because all you need to do is basically a seamless process. You download, you activate it right away without necessarily for you to leave the home, to leave the coffee shop, for example, if you're within a coffee shop, or you can even do it at midnight, because there are multiple ways of activation that we provided to them. I think we have to see it in the whole in such way where application can be actually different, not necessarily incorporating all the function into one application per se, because we are planning also to have a separate application, say for our credit card business, for Danamon Simpan Pinjam, the one that you mentioned about microfinancing. So we have seen pro and cons in terms of multiple application, but I think that's a way to do it, because at the end of the day, you do not want it to load up so much information, or you want it to load up so much feature in one application built up itself.